everybody, ChestnutMtnTinman here. This is Friday evening, July the 22nd. It's about 6:30 or so, and I'm going to install a new air horn on my Harley. This is the Wolo bad boy air horn, and I won this from Black Phoenix Entertainment's, I think it was his 1,500 subscriber giveaway, and it arrived from FedEx today. For some reason my P.O. box wouldn't take it, kept sending it back to him, so he sent it FedEx. But there's not much to it. I already cut this side. You know how these crimp packaging works. I already pretty much opened it, but there's not a lot to it. Your air horn, the power connectors are on the bottom, and then you got one connector here. So you take off the factory horn and then just put it back with the bad boy. So I'm gonna put the camera on the horn. You need a 10mm and a 13mm socket for this. Light's still a little warm after, and you want to keep the bracket too, because you'll use the bracket to mount the bad boy horn. And I've also got my LED lights going into this one, so I have to put them in there too. Oh, gotta go get a snip. I've got those hanging there, my cable ties. Alright, let's take that one off right there. That one off right there. Takes the LED light out.
One eternity later.
All right, everybody, we're back to the stage. I had a little malfunction, and I had to JB weld this cast iron piece back on, and it's been 24 hours, and now I've ran the nut through, tightened it down, blue lock tightened it, so we're on. Now we're gonna hook I can't remember which of this. See, it goes here. That be the way. If it's the wrong way, then it's just going to honk. I mean, it's not going to do nothing. I gotta put some 3M tape on my LED lights. So I had to pull it off the other horn. So now we gotta reattach it. My horn's loud, very loud. And there she is. That is it mounted. Be loud. So that's the install of the Wolo Bad Boy Airhorn. Had some craziness in the install, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Take off your horn, unplug it, use the mount it's on, and then mount it back up, plug it in. If it doesn't work, then just reverse the wires and then use the screw to mount it back to the bike, and you're done. So it's ChestnutMtnTinman saying thanks for being here on this install, and thanks for Black Phoenix Entertainment's giveaway. I enjoyed winning the Airhorn, and we're out of here. See you, bye.
One eternity later.
Hey, my friends. Well, I know I told you that all you needed to do was to hook up the 2 wires from your bike to the horn. Even though it says that, when you read on, it goes on to tell you that you need to use the supplied relay. I didn't do this on camera because there's just too much to it. This is the relay. This is what's going to the positive terminal. You have to get a 20 amp fuse. This is going to the positive of the horn. This hooks to the negative of the horn and then grounded either to your battery or the bike. And then the 2 bike things hook here. And then that is supposed to save your battery switch. That's why mine was only going eh. Apparently when I hook all this up, then it will actually blow. And I'm not too sure it wasn't supposed to blow, but if you don't hook this up, it will burn up your battery switch. So I am going to take it back off, and we'll see what happens here. As I play with all the wires, and as you know, ultra limited is the world's worst for, come on. That's nice. That's real nice. That one goes to the positive. That's what it took. Hey everybody, it's the ChestnutMtnTinman here. What I finally ended up doing was, instead of trying to hide the relay back here, I put the relay in the battery compartment and ran the horn wires to the relay. I had to add extensions to them. I got to clean the wires up a little bit too, but the whole wire thing is right inside the battery compartment because it wasn't going to work, all that clutter there. But it works now. Let me show you. Here we go. Pretty loud. So the instructions aren't quite what's needed to be, because you read the first part and it tells you can just use your existing wires. You gotta use the relay. You just have to use the relay. I don't know why they don't say that to start with. And that would have saved a lot of headache. But you live and you learn. And read the incomplete instructions and you'll learn something. Anyways, it works now and I'm happy, and it is loud. So, quite a convoluted installation, but we got it done. So this is the Tin Man saying thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.